Is the customer always right? You've heard it before. The customer is always right. When we hear things like this, we tend to take it on face value and believe it's true even when it's impossible to be true. That's because no one is always right all the time, but there is a percentage of truth in it from a business person's perspective. In order to keep customers happy and the good buzz high, it's often a good idea to act as if the customer is always right. Let's be honest here, some customers are jerks. There are times when the customer is not only wrong, but they're a jerk. Employees and staff should be able to make judgment calls and let a customer go if they're truly wrong and there is no way to fix the issue. Let them refund the money and recommend someone else. It's a fact that some customers won't ever be happy. They're really just a problem because nothing will ever make them happy. They just like to complain and abuse other people. This type of customer needs to be let go. But first, it's always a good idea to try and make the customer happy by trying to find some common ground. If you can't do it, it's okay, let them go. Sadly, social media emboldens some customers in a negative manner. You've seen scathing reviews on places like Yelp for a business where the writer didn't bother leaving the name, the spelling is poor, the grammar is non-existent, and they're really just not making any sense. The reason is that social media to some people gives them a sense of privacy and allows them to be hidden and anonymous. Without a question of doubt, some customers need to go. The fact is, some customers just aren't worth the hassle. It's a fact of doing business that time is money, and if you're not going to make a profit on your work, then you have no reason to do the work. There are some types of customers that will bleed you dry and you'll never make a profit on them. When you have a difficult customer, the best thing to do is to refund the money and send them on the way, in a polite way of course. Your resources are limited. Even if you wanted to handhold every last customer, you just don't have time or the resources to do it. Therefore, each time something happens, you have to figure out what is the best course of action to take. The best course is usually the one that helps you make more money. There's more to life than money. Having said that, there is more life to money and it will show in your actions. If you're too money-centric and not people-centric, you may actually struggle to make more money. People can see through you when you act like that. So the short answer as to whether or not the customer is always right is no, of course not. But if you try to make things right in a professional and polite manner and failed, then you just have to suck it up and make a refund. This is the best business decision to make in such circumstances. If you can't make it right, at least let them think they're right as you show them the door.